Hey everyone, it's Ken here from Northern Viking Everyday. Today I've got a quick Windows 11 tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to change your wallpaper on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop PC. It's really quite simple to do, but make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Let's go ahead and dive right into this. Now, first off, find an open area here on your desktop. So not where there's any icons, but an open area. And we're going to right click, not left click, but right click. And in the menu that pops up, we're looking for the personalize option right here. You can go ahead and left click on that. That's going to load up the settings. We want to make sure personalization is selected over here on the left. And then we can go ahead and select background right here. And this will allow us to change our background here in Windows 11. Now, if you're not seeing the little icons there or background images, you might need to hit the little icon here. It's a little arrow with a drop down, and this will give you some more options. Now from here, go to the drop down here. You can see picture is selected. There's several different options. We want to make sure picture is selected, and you can choose from recent images. So I've got the kind of dark Windows background or wallpaper. We've got the light one here. So if I just left click on that, it'll automatically change it to the light mode. There's other Windows images in here as well. So just select whichever one you like under recent images. You can also choose a specific photo right here. So it says choose a photo, and you can browse your computer for photos. So if we left click on that, we can search all through our computer. You can go to your pictures and then select a photo. Maybe I want this one of the go-karts here. We'll select that and hit choose picture, and it's going to automatically change that to the go-karting background. You can also choose how the desktop image fills your screen. So right here it says fill. You can have it fit or stretch it out. Maybe your image is the wrong size. You can go through those and play with them to make the image fit properly. Now let's select the next one here. We've got pictures, so we can go to solid color. And there's lots of different colors you can choose from. Maybe you want green, for example. You can select that, and it's gonna make your background just a solid color if you're wanting something basic. You can also go ahead and pick slideshow here, which will create a slideshow for your wallpaper. So you can select a album for your slideshow. So if you go to browse here, it'll allow you to search your computer for a folder. When you find that folder, just go ahead and select it and hit choose this folder. And it's gonna choose that folder for your slideshow. This is just a whole bunch of images of myself that I use to create thumbnails. So not really what I would use for a slideshow, but it can easily be done, as well as you can change how often the picture is changed from 1 minute all the way to 1 day. So you can easily do that. And there's different options here as well. And the last one here is Windows Spotlight. If you select that, Windows will automatically choose a beautiful background for you that does change periodically. I really like this one because you get some great scenic views and different pictures. You can also learn about this picture. If you double click on that, it'll load up and give you information on where that photo was taken. So I hope this video did help you out in changing the wallpaper on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe here on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.